Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to connect your Surfshark VPN with your Netgear router, then this video is for you. So if you want to get more privacy, or you want to hide your IP address, or you want to get more security with a VPN, or you want to get more faster speed, so Surfshark can be a good VPN for you on your router. So if you are on Netgear router, so you have to do is make sure you have the Netgear router username and the password on hand, and also the Surfshark account. So once you are on surfshark.com, you have to do is simply you can find the download button from here. So also you can go to your account by simply click on my account, where you can create an account with your Google accounts. So once you have created your account, you can find this type of dashboard, but make sure that you have the premium plan of Surfshark purchased. I don't have premium plan, so that's why it's showing this in this VPN section. It's showing that there is no VPN available that I can download, or the VPN file. So you must need a .ovpn file for connecting a VPN on any router. So first you have to purchase the premium plan from here. You can find all the details. Now once you have purchased it, you can find the VPN in this section. You can find this type of interface, where you can find in the VPN, you can find two options, that is manual setup and dedicated IP. You have to select manual setup. So where you can find the router options, so simply click on router. Now you can find different types of location which you can easily download the .ovpn file. So you have to simply click on this download button of your expected location file. So simply click on it, and from here you have to, once you have downloaded, you have to do is simply go to the Netgear. So you have to log into your Netgear admin panel, Netgear router admin panel, or you can download the Netgear, or you can follow this URL, that 192.168.1.1, and make sure that you are connected with your Netgear router network. Once you have connected and you have logged in, so you have to do is go to the advanced section, where you can find the VPN service in this advanced setup. So expand this advanced setup option here, and you can find the VPN service. So simply click on VPN service. When you find this type of interface, where you can find open VPN client setup instructions. So you have to, if you're on Windows, you have to simply click on Windows or Mac OS or any just device. So you have to, I'm going to use this Windows, that's why you can simply click on Windows here. So once you are Windows, you can simply find this for Windows here. Simply click on for Windows, where you have to add some name of that VPN, or you can add some username and password. That's for optional. And most important thing is you have to add or upload. You can find upload button or add button here there, so you can add a VPN file, that .ovpn. So you have to simply click on upload or add or choose file. So you have to choose that file that you have downloaded from this Surfshark, the OVPN file. Once you have uploaded it, simply click on done and simply click on apply, and Surfshark VPN for that specific location will be set with your Netgear router. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.